Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Speak English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It is so good to see you all again. I am very happy to be here.
I am happy too, David. You look very energetic today. You have a big smile.
Yes, I feel good. I had a very good sleep, and I have my green tea.
Ah, green tea. Very healthy.
Yes, I am trying to be healthy.
That is great, David. And actually, that is a little bit connected to our topic today.
Oh, really? What is our topic today?
Today, we are talking about your future self.
My future self. That sounds interesting. Is it about time travel?
No, not time travel. No sci-fi movies today. It is about you, David, but you in 1 year or you in 5 years.
I see. Me in the future.
Yes, we are going to talk about why we should do difficult things today so we can be happy tomorrow.
Oh, that is a deep topic.
It is. But before we start talking about the future, we have something to do right now.
Yes, we do. Please, everyone, if you like our podcast, click the like button. It is a small click for you, but a big help for us.
Yes, and please subscribe to Daily Speak English. We want to help you learn English every week.
And share this with your friends. English is better with friends.
Exactly. Thank you, everyone. Okay, David, let's talk about the future.
Okay, I am ready.
Imagine future David. He is living in the year 2026.
Okay, I am imagining him. He is older. Maybe he has gray hair.
Maybe. But is he happy? Is he healthy? Is he smart?
I hope so. I want him to be happy.
We all do. But here is the secret. Future David depends on today David.
I think I understand. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Think about English.
Okay, English.
We are learning English. Many people say, I am tired today. I will study tomorrow.
Oh, yes, I say that sometimes. I will do it later.
We all do. It is comfortable to relax on the sofa. It is easy to watch TV.
Yes, watching TV is very easy. Studying vocabulary is work.
Exactly. But think about future David in 1 year. If today David studies for 20 minutes every day, what happens?
In 1 year, future David will speak very good English.
Yes, future David can travel. He can talk to people. He can watch movies in English without subtitles.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Future David is very cool.
He is. And he looks back at today David and says, thank you. Thank you for studying. Thank you for not watching TV.
Exactly. Your future self will thank you. I love that phrase. It makes me feel responsible.
It is a powerful idea. It works for everything, not just English.
Like my green tea?
Yes. Tell me about that. Why are you drinking green tea?
Well, I want to be healthy. I want to run a marathon next year.
A marathon? Wow, David! 42 kilometers?
Yeah, it is a big goal. So, do you run every day? Well, I try, but some days it is raining or I am tired.
And you want to stay in bed?
Yes, the bed is warm. Running is cold and hard.
But what does future David want?
Future David wants to finish the marathon. He wants to feel strong.
So, when you run in the rain today, you are giving a gift to future David.
A gift? I like that. I am not suffering. I am sending a gift to the future.
Yes, it changes how you think. It is not, I have to study. It is, I am building a better me.
That is very motivating. But, Sarah, it is still hard.
I know. It is still hard. Our brains like easy things. How can we make it easier? Do you have any tips? I do. The first tip is Don't look at the mountain. Look at the step. It is, what is the Wi-Fi password? So true. Do you have Wi-Fi? Is a very common question. I also see people reading books. It is a cozy place to read. The atmosphere is usually relaxing. There's soft music playing, jazz or acoustic guitar. I like that. But sometimes I go to the coffee shop to meet a friend.
That is the best reason. It is a social routine.
Yes.
Let's grab a coffee is a great way to invite a friend to talk.
Let's grab a coffee. I like that phrase. It sounds very natural.
It does. So imagine I am waiting for my friend Mike.
Okay.
You are sitting at the table and I see Mike walking in the door.
I wave my hand.
You can say, "Over here, Mike."
Yes, over here. And when he comes to the table, we greet each other.
You don't say hello formally. You say, "Hey, good to see you," or "How have you been?" And then you talk for hours.
And drink more coffee.
And eat more cake.
Yes. Coffee shops often have delicious food. Pastries, cakes, sandwiches.
Do you have a favorite coffee shop snack, Sarah?
I really like a blueberry muffin. It goes well with coffee. What about you?
I love a chocolate brownie, but only a small one.
A small one is enough. It is very sweet.
Now, sometimes people have special requests for their coffee.
Oh yes, customizing the order. It sounds difficult, but it is easy. For example, the milk. Not everyone drinks cow's milk.
Right. Many people like plant-based milk now.
Like almond milk or soy milk or oat milk.
Oat milk is very popular these days. So you can say, "Can I have a latte with oat milk, please?"
Exactly. Or maybe you want it sweeter. You can ask, "Can I have extra sugar?" or "Can I have some syrup?" Vanilla syrup is very nice.
A vanilla latte. Wow. I am getting thirsty, Sarah. All this talk about coffee.
Me too. I think I need another cup. But before we go to the coffee shop, we should review a little.
Good idea. So to be polite, we use "I would like" or "Can I have?"
And we choose for here or to go. And if we want to sit, we ask, "Is this seat taken?"
Simple phrases, but very useful. Do you tip the barista, Sarah?
The tip jar. Yes, usually. If I pay with cash, I put the coins in the jar.
That is nice. In some countries, tipping is very important. In others, it is not.
That is true. It depends on where you are, but saying thank you is important everywhere.
Yes. Always say thank you when they give you your drink. And tell them, "Have a nice day." It makes everyone feel good.
You know, Sarah, I think the coffee shop is my favorite classroom
Why is that?
because I can listen to people talking. I can hear real English conversation.
That is a wonderful tip for our listeners. Go to a coffee shop, buy a drink, and just listen.
Yes, listen to how people order, listen to friends laughing. It is great practice.
And it is relaxing, no stress.
Exactly, just coffee and English. Well, David, I think our time is almost up.
Oh no, time flies when we talk about coffee.
It does, but this was a fun conversation.
Very fun. I hope our listeners are ready to go order their next coffee in English with confidence.
I am sure they are. So, everyone, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please tell us in the comments, what is your favorite coffee order? Do you like a latte, an Americano, or maybe just tea? And do you like oat milk or cow's milk? Tell us your order.
For me, it's the smell, that rich, aromatic smell of freshly ground coffee beans. It's just comforting.
Yes, the aroma. And then the sounds, the gentle whirring of the grinder, the whoosh of the espresso machine, and the shh of the steam wand frothing the milk. It's like a symphony.
a delicious symphony. And the sight, people are everywhere. Some are alone, typing on laptops, and others are in groups, chatting and laughing. It's a real social hub.
It truly is. So we take it all in and then we walk towards the counter. The person who makes the coffee is called a
barista.
Correct, barista. Now, let's get to the most important part, ordering.
This is where many learners get nervous, but there's no need. Let's start with the basic, polite phrases. David, what do you usually say?
I almost always say, "Hi, could I get a medium Americano, please?" Or, "I'd like a medium Americano, please." Both are perfect.
Yes. Could I get and I'd like are magic phrases. They are polite and clear. What you shouldn't say is just, "I want a coffee." It can sound a bit too direct or even rude in some situations.
Good point. Now, the barista will often greet you and ask, "What can I get you for today?" Or, "How can I help you?" So you need to be ready with your order.
And your order has parts. Let's break it down. 1, the drink. Americano, latte, cappuccino, black coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. 2, the size. Small, medium, large, or sometimes tall, grande, venti. 3, the milk. Whole milk, skim milk, or plant-based options like almond milk or soy milk or oat milk.
Oat milk is very popular these days. So you can say, "Can I have a latte with oat milk, please?"
Exactly. Or maybe you want it sweeter. You can ask, "Can I have extra sugar?" or "Can I have some syrup?" Vanilla syrup is very nice.
A vanilla latte. Wow. I am getting thirsty, Sarah. All this talk about coffee.
Me too. I think I need another cup. But before we go to the coffee shop, we should review a little.
Good idea. So to be polite, we use "I would like" or "Can I have?"
And we choose for here or to go. And if we want to sit, we ask, "Is this seat taken?"
Simple phrases, but very useful. Do you tip the barista, Sarah?
The tip jar. Yes, usually. If I pay with cash, I put the coins in the jar.
That is nice. In some countries, tipping is very important. In others, it is not.
That is true. It depends on where you are, but saying thank you is important everywhere.
Yes, always say thank you when they give you your drink. And tell them, "Have a nice day." It makes everyone feel good.
You know, Sarah, I think the coffee shop is my favorite classroom
Why is that?
because I can listen to people talking. I can hear real English conversation.
That is a wonderful tip for our listeners. Go to a coffee shop, buy a drink, and just listen.
Yes, listen to how people order, listen to friends laughing. It is great practice.
And it is relaxing, no stress.
Exactly, just coffee and English. Well, David, I think our time is almost up.
Oh no, time flies when we talk about coffee.
It does, but this was a fun conversation.
Very fun. I hope our listeners are ready to go order their next coffee in English with confidence.
I am sure they are. So, everyone, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please tell us in the comments, what is your favorite coffee order? Do you like a latte, an Americano, or maybe just tea? And do you like oat milk or cow's milk? Tell us your order.